So I started actually in the United States Patent Office right out of college. I wanted to follow in Albert Einstein's footsteps, realized 2 years later that I'm not getting near that. So went to a startup firm that did government contracting for new product development for emergency medicine. And so got really hooked into healthcare and product development and design engineering. Moved on to what is a company that was now bought by GE. So I'm at GE Healthcare right now. Been there for 25 years. Chief engineer and responsible for technology development, road mapping, and leading basically a new product development team doing products for delivery room, intensive care nursery, well baby nursery, and obstetrics office, and have been loving it. I got connected with UMBC through a research program, so we're doing some research for non-invasive sensors for babies here at UMBC, and I ended up doing some guest lectures, and then all of a sudden somebody called me and said, you know, we're opening up this program, this four-course certificate program that just sounds amazing. And I said, sign me up. So I've been doing the product development class now.